Hi, and welcome to part 4 of my tutorial on how to disassemble and reassemble the 5x5 Rubik's Cube. Now, I told you to fill in the rest of these corners, like I said, until you're left with the last two ones, okay? First, what you want to do is you want to take both the corners and put them in the correct position, like so. And then fill in these edges. So, I got my yellow orange one, put it in there, and my orange white one. And then just fill in this side right here. So I take my yellow one and I slide down into there. I take my other one, edge, and I slide it into there. Then I got one corner solved, and then I take my white. And then there you go. And then for the last step is you rotate the top layer 45 degrees, and then you take your last edge, you guys are gonna have to kind of push it, but don't break your piece. There you go. Popped right into place. Now just go ahead and fill in the remaining pieces. Okay, and then just put in these last two edges until you're left with this little bar. And just rotate, misalign the layers. Pop in. And then, there you go. You've now successfully disassembled and reassembled your 5x5 Rubik's Cube. Thanks for watching. Bye.